In this video, I will guide you on what is Gemini Omni. Gemini Omni is Google's newest and smartest AI video model. It works like a powerful all-in-one AI system that understands text, images, audio, and videos together. The best part is that you can create or edit videos just by chatting with the AI using simple words. Google has officially replaced its older AI model called VEO, including VEO 3.1, with Gemini Omni Flash. There is a free version of Gemini Omni available through YouTube Shorts and YouTube Create for quick social media videos. But for the full features like longer clips, conversational video editing, and AI avatars, you need a paid Google AI Plus Pro or Ultra subscription. Now to use it, you want to open the Gemini app or head over to gemini.google.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to click on the video option on the left-hand side panel. From here, you can either create a new video or edit an existing one. You can also use any templates from here. Now select the video format, enter in your prompt and send it. Wait for the video to be created. After the video has been created, you can edit it as well. Omni can generate different types of videos such as animated, explainer, AI voiceover, cinematic scenes, educational videos, and social media clips. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.